Hey guys, welcome to We're the Joneses Barbecue. I'm Brian Jones, a connoisseur of great food and love to watch friends and family go crazy when eating food I've prepared. If you like this video, hit the like video down below. Also subscribe to our channel to catch more of our videos. Having a really good bark on your brisket is the seasoning, also the flavor. I'm gonna run through what I do at home. I think the most important thing is to use a primarily coarse black pepper based seasoning with no sugar, white or brown, and then baste it with mustard before applying the seasoning. My recipe has coarse black pepper, coarse kosher salt, Lawry's, chili powder, paprika, you can use smoked or regular, and we also have cayenne pepper. We're gonna dump all those in and we're gonna mix it all up. Mix it, I like using a whisk. It seems to do a really good job, a lot faster than a fork, but you can use a fork if you want to. Want to make enough to where you can finish your brisket. I like to make a little extra. If I'm at a friend or family's house, to leave it behind with them. If I'm at home, I'll make a little extra, leave it in the jar and use it on the next one. The seasoning also makes for really good steaks and other beef products to season with. All right, so we're all mixed up. Color mixture looks good. I'm gonna take a shaker bottle, got a little funnel, and we're just gonna dump it in the funnel. This should be enough to get us through a full 14-pound packer brisket. Don't forget to follow the link below to find the ingredient list and printable recipe card.